Are you always watching make money online YouTube videos but are not making money? Are you wondering what strategy you use to make money online? Are you getting tired of watching video after video? Let me tell you this. One thing you are supposed to know is that making money online is based on skill, knowledge, and then strategy. If you don't have any skill, you don't have the accurate strategy, and you don't have the knowledge of how to do it, I'm telling you, you will not be able to make money online. Welcome to Deglon Tech. Today, I am here to teach you how you'll be able to make at least your first $100 online, if only you can follow these steps that I'm going to show you without skipping any part of this video. Watch the video to the end and you'll break out of this inability of making money online. So what strategy I'm talking about? Before we go on my computer screen, I want you to know that here is Deglon Tech, and what we do is that we teach how to make money online step by step, and if there's any strategy people are talking about, we come to review that strategy and see whether it's real or a scam. So if today is the first time you are coming across our video, we want you to watch this video through to the end, and if you found value in this video, give us a thumb up and subscribe to this channel. To all return subscribers, we thank you for your support. We are so great. Let us not waste time. Let me take you to my computer screen as I take you through this strategy step by step. But remember to watch through to the end. Let's go. Here we are on my computer screen, and the first sites we are going to use using this strategy is youtube.com. So when I come to youtube.com, I'll go and search for top 10. So we are looking for top 10 list videos. So we'll look for top 10 list video. Then you make sure you check a video that have more view. You don't just go and pick any video at all, but we are looking at videos that have more view. Let's all choose the video together. Okay, this was the video I choose. So top 10 natural disasters caught on camera. So this is the video I choose for the purpose of this video because it has 12 million views. So we just click on the video. So here we are, we click on the video, and then I'll pause that video quickly. So I'll just come down. All I will do is to copy the video link. I'll copy the link of this video. Remember, the first site we are using here is YouTube, and the first thing we did was to search for top 10 lists video, and then we look for the one that has most view, so we can use that to do whatever we are doing. Remember, I said watch this video through to the end for you not to miss any step. That is why I'm taking my time and I'm doing it step by step for you to be able to follow. So I will now grab the link to this particular video. Now our next site that we'll be going to is YouTube transcript. We are now going to YouTube transcript. So when I come to YouTube transcript, I'm coming to paste the link to the video we've selected here on YouTube. I'm coming to paste that video here on YouTube transcript, then I click go. So what YouTube transcript did is that it gives us a transcript of the video right here. So all you are seeing here is a transcript of the video. So what you are going to do is to copy this entire transcript here. Now that we have the transcript of the video, you can go to Word, either Notepad, you go to Google Doc, depending on the editing software or app that you are using. Then you go to Word, you paste it. So you'll be able to take this thing like music. You could see that if you check inside whatever you have, there are some things that need to be taken away. We have music, we have here music is here. Just take those things out. Then you see we have applause. All those things are there into brackets. Applause, all those things, you just take them out. You take them out first, and then try to read around and make this text or this document personal. Whatever you've copied, if you come here, all you are supposed to do is just to paste it right here. So you have whatever you have copied here. So read through, edit it very well, make sure everything is in order. You don't just grab it and then take the next step. Before you take the next step, make sure you've been able to read through whatever is here, and then you've been able to take out things that are not supposed to be in. So the best thing is when you can go watch the video. So after you are done taking those things in bracket, the applause the music and all those things that were not something they said in the video. You take all those things out. After you are done, then we are now going to the next step of the video, or we are going to the next tool that we are going to use. I don't want to make the video lengthy. That is why I don't want to go through the process of editing it again, and I believe you'll be able to edit it yourself. You'll be able to do that. So after we are done, then whatever you have now, you go back to Spinboard. So when you come to Spinboard, you now paste whatever you have, you paste it here. When you are done, the reason why you are pasting it is that you don't just want to grab whatever the video owner said here word to word and then you just use. So you grab it. When you are done, you edit it, you try to make it personal to avoid plagiarism. Then when you come to Spinboard, what you are coming to do is that you are coming to spin it and make sure it's free of any form of plagiarism. You make sure it is now personal that you can use. If you post it and it's too much as compared to the needed number of words, you can copy it and then do it small, like you just do it bit by bit, so that you'll be able to do it. After using the free version and you see that it is good for you, it's something that is good for you to use, why not? You can go pay. So there are so many free tools that are there to paraphrase text for you, free online. So you can use anyone that is convenient for you. Now let's assume you are done and now you now have a complete document that you've made personal, because after spinning it, come back, read it again, read through, make sure whatever is here, you've tried as much as possible to make it personal, check plagiarism and make sure it is free from every form of plagiarism. One thing you are supposed to know is when news break out, there are many media houses that broadcast or post or write a post or a blog about the same news. So picking a video from YouTube is not a matter, reusing it is not a matter, but the way you are going to use it, that is where the issue is. That is why I am insisting on you making sure you make whatever document you have transcribed from the video, you make it personal. Try as much as possible to make it personal to avoid any form of plagiarism. Now that we are done making the text personal, now the next thing or the next platform we are going to use now is called Listverse. That's listverse.com. I know you might heard it before, but you are not able to, you don't know how to do it, or you don't know how to post here. So just follow and let us go. So now when you come to this particular site, what they do is that they say get paid $100. That's the first thing. They say, do you want to earn money online? Let's go. They say, so here is the deal. We will pay you $100 for your effort. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to have English equal to that of a native speaker, a sense of humor, and a love for things unusual or interesting. This time around, you didn't write anything. You pick it from a viral video, a topic that people are interested in. Over 12 million people are already interested in, which means your topic is a hot topic already. So make sure when you pick it, make sure you grab the same topic that is up there, the same topic. You can still paraphrase the topic, but make sure you have the topic. Don't forget the topic of the video we took, that is top 10 natural disasters caused on camera. So you can make it, yes, top 10 natural disasters. If you have any way of playing around the topic and making it personal, you can do that. Now if you are done, you come to this site, you need to scroll all the way down. So you see some of the lists. Before you go there, they say there are great top 10 ridiculous celebrities items people have paid money for, blah blah blah. All those things are there, and you don't need to add any picture. You don't need to add any picture. They will add a picture themselves, so you are not the one to add any picture. All you need to do is to submit the list, and then they will do the rest of the work. So when you scroll down to this place, you will see submit a list. They say write and get paid. You can read around to discover a lot of things here, but for the purpose of this video, you just come here and go to submit a list. And when you come to submit a list, you'll be given the opportunity to submit the list. So when you come here, you say your details. So author name or nickname, email address. So they pay you through PayPal. Remember, they pay you through PayPal. So you need to have a PayPal account. Try to get one. There's a video on my platform that you go back to my channel and watch a video as I taught how you'll be able. I made a video on how you'll be able to create and own a PayPal account. It's an easy thing to do. So you put your title here, then you give an introduction here, then you can now paste. You copy and paste. Please, you copy and paste the text. They say enter the full document of your list here, 1,500 to 2,000 words maximum. 1,500 words to 2,000 maximum. So when you finish, you agree to the terms and conditions, then you submit. So there's a guide here. You can go, the author's guide PDF. Go download this guide, read through. It will enlighten you more on how best you'll be able to leverage on this particular strategy and make money right here. So if you found value in this particular video, this a step-by-step guide that should be made very easy for you to make your first $100 online. You are not competing with anybody when it comes to this. All you do is to submit the list. If the list gets approved, automatically you get your $100. As simple as that. So if you find value in this video, give us a thumb up and subscribe to this channel. If today is the first time you've come across our video, we want you to be part of this big family, this growing family, by subscribing to our channel. Leave a comment. Is there any video you want us to create? Just give an idea of the video and we'll be there to attend to you. Remember, here is Deglon Tech, and all we do is to teach how to make money online. And if there's any strategy people are talking about, we come here and create videos on it, to make reviews on it and see whether it is real or fake, whether it is legit or just a waste of time. So remember that making money online, you need a strategy, you need knowledge, and then you need a skill. So go on my YouTube channel, go back to my channel. There's a video there on how you'll be able to learn skills for free. Go and watch that video. It will help you. Till we meet again, see you in the next video.